So a day in my life. So today's video I'm going to present my mini vlog, but first of all let me introduce myself. My name is Dwayne Simawa and we're going to Con Amigos Cafe together with my classmates to conduct our leisure activity. So hi guys, andito na nga kami sa Con Amigos Cafe at dito tayo magka-conduct ng ating activity at syempre kasama natin ang ating mga kaibigan. Ayun na nga. So nakikita nyo maraming nagkakape dito kasi mura lang dito at masarap pa. At perfect din dito magtambay, mag-jamming kasama ang mga tropa at mag-usap-usap tungkol sa salita ng Diyos. Tara na dito sa Con Amigos Cafe. At makikita nyo ang ganda rin ng kanilang place at mayroon pa silang mga isda. So ayan na nga. Kung nakikita nyo, order na ako dyan. Con Amigos Cafe. This is a day in my life. A day in our life. And we're here to taste the coffee Con Amigos. It's good. So ayan na nga yung in-order namin. Kung makikita nyo, mukha pa lang ang sarap na at mura pa. Dito na kayo sa Con Amigos Cafe. Ayan na nga, minomontasyon namin muna bago namin inumin. Ang ginawa kong leisure activity ay pumunta kami ng cafe at nag-jamming kami. I choose these activities because I want to have a social interaction with my friends. These activities help me to have a social interaction with my friends, and sometimes when I feel stressed, I go to coffee shop and have a bonding with them so I can forget all the stress. I enjoy the most during the experience is when you are with your friends and when you're together with them and the place is good, perfect for relaxing and to stress-free. I can relate my experience to our recreation and leisure management subject because recreation and leisure management subject it is a time with yourself or family or friends together with them that you have a bonding with them. It is a recreation that you enjoy this activity. It is a leisure activity. The lessons or realizations that I gain from the activity is sometimes you just need to relax and have a coffee together with your friends. So overall experience is the place is very nice, been very clean, and the overall activity together with my friends is we gained and we learn each other that the life is so hard lately, and so we go to the coffee shop and have a sit and relax and talking about each other. And that's all. Thank you for watching my mini vlog, a day in my life. Thank you. Bye bye.